Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good and having a good time. In this video, I will be giving you guys a dorm tour of my room here at the Culinary Institute of America. Make sure to watch the whole video because at the end of the video, I will be talking about room inspections, laundry, and the common kitchen in Angel Hall. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start at the beginning. So this is the door. Right here to the right, we have like a closet kind of thing. This is my side, this is my roommate's side. I keep my clothes over here, my shoes up there. This is my laundry bag, laundry basket kind of thing. And you can just basically close these like this. Let's see. And there is like a magnet here. They just go in each other. There we go. And then right here, we have our bathroom. So one thing that is really nice is we have our own private bathrooms. This is our bathroom. That's me, hello. We have our like towel bars, 2 towel bars. We have a mirror. Our mirror like opens like this. You can keep your stuff in there. This is our sink, and like there is a lot of room right here. You can like keep your stuff. And this is the toilet. That's the shower over there. There's a lot of space. And we go back. This is our room. This is like a wide shot of our room, where you can see. That's my side. This is my desk, my chair, my stuff. This is my roommate's side. They will give you 2 drawers. There's a lot of space in them. Just like don't worry if you're moving in. Don't worry, there is a lot of space in a double. And this is our mini fridge. This is our microwave. They give you trash cans. And as you can see, I have a lot of stuff right over there, right over there. My roommate also has a lot of stuff. And this is our AC and heater. You can just basically adjust the settings on there. I just turned it off because it's a little bit noisy when I want to record. And this is my beautiful view. So yes, this was my dorm tour here at the CIA. As you guys saw, there is a lot of space here. Now let's talk about room inspections, laundry, and the common kitchen. Room inspections. So each month you will be having a floor meeting and a room inspection. The floor meeting is usually going to be a week earlier than your room inspection. And when you attend the floor meeting, your RAs will let you know that like next week, the week of, I don't know, October 15th, we will be having a room inspection. They don't give you a date, they just give you a week. And the day of your room inspection, your 2 floor RAs will come into your room, they would inspect the room. Do they go through your stuff? No, of course not. Do they go through everything? Do they check every little thing? Not really. I feel like the point of having room inspection at the CIA is that they just want to make sure that you're living in a clean environment. When they come, they would just go to your bathroom, they would check the sink, they would check your shower, they would check your toilet. You shouldn't have dirty dishes. They check your floor, they check your walls. Everything has to be clean. Your microwave, your fridge, your freezer, everything has to be clean. Nothing should be like moldy and stuff. I will make a separate video especially about room inspections, and I will let you guys know like what to do to pass the room inspection. Laundry. So there is a laundry for all the residents in each hall. And the good news is that laundry is free. Laundry is completely free. You only need to have your Tide pods, like your laundry pods. but like using the laundry machine is free, using the dryer is free. And lastly, the common kitchen. So there is a common kitchen in each hall and all the students can use them. But if you go to the kitchen, make sure to clean the kitchen before you leave. Because if the kitchen is dirty, your RAs would close the kitchen for 2 weeks and nobody can use the kitchen in those 2 weeks. So if you go in the kitchen, you make something delicious, you eat it, please clean the kitchen before you leave. Thank you. So this is the end of the video. If you want me to make more CIA videos, more CIA content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, any comments, any wonders, make sure to leave a comment down below. And until the next video, I will see you guys later.